If you want to maintain your privacy while using Uber Eats, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to manage your visibility on the platform. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the account settings until you find the Privacy section. This is where you can manage your online status and other privacy-related options. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the Privacy settings, look for the option that allows you to control your online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you have made. Exit the settings and return to the main screen of the app. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Uber Eats, allowing you to use the app with more privacy.